like all my stuff, it doesn't work. Now it's windy. Damn it. It works, but crap. Look, let's I got 20 litres of water in there, and I push forward, and it goes forward. Backwards. I don't like backwards, a bit too fast for me. But I might not need a reverse. I might just incorporate a forward, and I push it up the hill. Normally I pull it up the hill because I don't know, it was easier because you're lifting up, whereas when you're pushing it up the hill, you're pushing into the hill. It's a matter of vectors against you or with you. Anyway, so this is forward. So the plan didn't work. A lot of people said it's not going to work, and they were correct, as usual. But that's fine. What's going to happen now is I asked myself, how badly do I need this? Is it worth messing with my head, which I don't need at this point in time? I got enough with vehicles and greyhounds and this and that. But what I will show now, I'll show what I've done anyway. This is for people who are thinking about making something like this, only a working example. I'll get this 20 kilos out. Oh, fuck. I've took the child's cart wheels off and put my wheels that were originally I put on this trolley. The issue I still have, if you listen, the motor's spinning. I don't want the motor to be spinning while I'm pushing. Or maybe I do. It's just I try it with 20 litres in there. Oh mate, that's now that's heavy, especially pushing forward. Anyway, so I need to make it so that the wheels are freewheeling when I don't need assistance, and then locked to the axle when I do need assistance. I think that what that's going to be. Right now they're locked. I just bolted them on, this and that. What I might do is drill a hole through this hub and a hole through the axle. Same shit over there. And when I'm freewheeling, like when I'm freewheeling, the pin does not go through this hub. It only goes, it'll be here to stop the wheel from moving that way. So pushing, easy, and then hard bit. What I do, I remove the pin. Push the wheel so that the hole in the hub lines up with the axle, and put the pin in. And pin could be a not a circlip, a hairpin. What do they call those? Bloody split pin. Could be that, or it could just be a bolt with a nut on it, or something to lock it. And then I do that, something that's quick anyway. Probably that circlip thing. So that will go along. So now they're locked. Lock it up, and just continue locking it up until I have navigated the hard bit. and then when I don't need it anymore, I can put it back how it was. A lot of time waste. Anyway, who wants to know how this works? So this is the wires to the battery. Who wants to make something like this? This is my 12-volt battery. I show you how to wire it up forward and reverse. Who wants to know about forward and reverse? I got this plastic box from, who knows. I use it because I have it. That's the idea of all this. It costs me nothing. Everything I'm using, I have. I bought nothing. So there's your 12-volt battery. Who wants to know about how to wire it up? This here is a rocker switch. They call it double pole, double throw. I can't explain it because I either don't know or it's because I don't know. But it's the poles. Double throw is one throw, two ways. See, I can go that way, and then the poles, one set of poles there, one set of poles there. I don't know. So that's the thing. So it's called double pole, double throw, center off. So when I let go of the thing, and it's called spring loaded. Double pole, double throw, spring loaded, center off. I had a heap of these. They use them on something. But so anyway, what happens is the battery. This is battery plus here and here. This is battery minus here and here. When I flick forward, it joins that red wire to here. So if I put that in there, and that one on there, when I click it forward, or whatever it was I just clicked, what it will be doing is connecting this red wire. If I click, it will connect the red wire to there and the black wire to there, so it should go forward depending how I've wired it up. When I click it in reverse, it will join that to there, so the red of the battery will go to the minus black wire, and on this one the minus of the battery will go to the red thing. So that's that. Who understands about that? You probably and who doesn't understand, you can always ask. If you think about, perhaps not, you might use this wiring thing for something else, for a trommel or a whatever you want to go in, either forward and back. Like say you've got a electric antenna, you want to go up or down on a vehicle, or this or that, whatever. So that's that. I just thought I'd show that. The thing is, what's happening, the more load, I got up too fast. Oh, dizzy. Wow. So what happens, I got 12 volts here. When it's loaded, it's going to use a lot more current. So so the current goes down this wire, all that wire. By the time it gets down there to the other end, I don't have 12 volts on the motor anymore. I got who knows what, as low as 0. If it's so heavy that it can't even move, it'll be 0. So I'm losing all my I've still got 12 volts up here because I locked it up and measured the voltage on the batteries on full load, maximum load, like infinity, so it doesn't move, and I still had 12 volts up here. So I lost all the voltage down here. So what I have to do when I get round to it one day, the batteries actually go in there. The batteries go in there and that will eliminate all this. I'll just have a short piece of wire and very little voltage drop. But that's fine. But how I trigger it, I can't put my foot on a switch here. No, hopping along. No. So what I'm going to do is get a relay, double pole, double throw relay down there, and the two, I might just have one direction, like forward, or two. I'm not quite sure yet, but it will be a relay which now triggers, that connects the batteries to the motor. I got to work something out. Like with only, maybe I can have a relay, two relays, then I'll have two switches up here, one for forward, one for back. This rocker thing, well, I could use this rocker thing still, but I probably will need two relays. Who knows what I'm talking about? Knows? Who doesn't? I can't explain it. I don't know. Who doesn't like this sort of stuff? Don't watch anymore. Anyway, this is part 2. I'm putting it on hold. I got better things to do with my mental deficiencies that I don't need to add to them. So I'll put this away. The other thing is, I think I might have to put this whole mechanism underneath, because it's too far to the back. I'll put it more under. That's not an issue. I can do that. Okay. I'm Gold Sleeves Fiddler signing out until about next time I see you. Bye.